I'm Thomas.
And we're going to teach you integration by parts.
Woo!
So we use integration by parts when we have a product of two functions. So let our first function be represented by u of x and our second function be represented by v of x.
When you differentiate the product of two functions, u of x times v of x, the product rule states that d dx of u of x times v of x equals u prime of x times v of x plus v prime of x times u of x.
If we rearrange this statement by subtracting u prime of x times v of x from both sides, we get u of x times v prime of x equals the derivative of u of x times v of x minus u prime of x times v of x.
Now we integrate both sides. So the integral of u of x times v prime of x equals the integral of the derivative of u of x times v of x minus u prime of x times v of x.
We can break apart our integral on the right side of the equation into two separate integrals. So we have the integral of u of x v prime of x equals the integral of the derivative of u of x times v of x minus the integral of u prime of x times v of x.
So when you get the integral of a derivative, you just get the integrand. So the integral of u of x times v prime of x equals u of x times v of x minus the integral of u prime of x times v of x.
So now we have our formula for integrating by parts. We have the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du.
Yay! Now let's do an example.
But before that, fun fact! Continuous functions have antiderivatives!
Now for our example, we are going to integrate the integral of ln of x over x to the fifth dx.
So for our variables, we have chosen to assign u to ln of x because ln of x is easy to differentiate but not to integrate. So therefore that gives us as du as 1 over x. What's left is dv, and that would be 1 over x to the fifth dx or x to the negative fifth. And therefore v is x to the negative fourth over 4.
Got a negative! Now we plug in what we found here to the equation we came up with earlier. So the integral of u dv equals u v minus the integral of v du. Got a negative!
If we simplify this expression here, we have ln of x over x to the fourth times 4 plus 1/4 times the integral of 1 over x to the fifth.
Got a negative! So now we have negative natural log of x over 4x to the fourth plus 1/4. But since we have an easier integrand, we can integrate 1 over x to the 5th to x to the negative 4 over negative 4 plus c.
Now if we simplify, we get our indefinite integral. The integral of ln of x over x to the 5th dx equal the natural log of x, negative natural log of x over 4 over x to the 4th plus 1 over 16 x to the 4th. No, minus 1 over 16 x to the 4th plus c. I'm Lena.
And I'm Thomas.
Hope you learned something. Integration by parts. This is how we do it now.